Live on. Hey, Memoid, I'm doing well. Hope you're doing well. Yep, I am right now. I just went live on YouTube. So, yeah, I am live on YouTube. Let's see. Excuse me. Got my nice Focusrite microphone here. Do you think it's safe to keep coins on your MetaMask? I think so. Yeah. I don't have any issues with it or any concerns really. So when should I buy Bitcoin? I mean, you should buy some very consistently. And you should definitely be in my opinion, before this month is over. I think you should be almost entirely in. So good morning, Grant, Cesars, Latan. What's up? What's up? So, check out my most recent TikTok. I'm a little bit more hesitant. I've been saying that we're gonna go down to the 20-week simple moving average, but there's one thing in the back of my mind that makes me wonder maybe we won't, but we'll see. Good morning, Clickbait Cowboy. Yeah, Solana at 128 right now. I think the all-time high is 133, so that's good to see. ETH price end of the year. With it, end of the year, early next year, something like that, $15,000. What's up, Mr. Saint Proy? Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Hello, Bob. Hello, Everardo. What's up, 4K3 Music? Hello again. Yeah, I am live on YouTube. So, 50K Bitcoin. Live, love, laugh. Hello, hello. Crypto Patriot. So many familiar people. Sambo. September pullback still happening. Watch my most recent TikTok. I share some thoughts there. Whatever the case, I do believe we're going to close flat. It's not too late to be in Ethereum. I don't think so. Damien. Nope. Solana, let's see. September pullback. I've got dozens of questions about that a day. Check out my most recent TikTok. Solana price prediction this September. Man, I don't know. One thing that has me a little nervous about Solana is that it looks like NFTs are cooling off a little bit, So we'll see. ETH thought this next 2 weeks up and then down. Actually, CVO Crypto, he thinks that ETH is going to $4,000, but then it's going to go below 3,000. So we'll see. I'm not sure about that, but we'll see. What do we have today? Stuff. Bitcoin is 60K this month. It's within the realm of possibility. But will I long-term hold Solana? I don't think so. No. But I will be accumulating Solana heavily in the bear market. Hey, Luis. Nice NFT there. XRP to the moon, maybe. Yeah, again, Bitcoin to 60K this month. What ledger do I recommend? Probably a Trezor. Bob, how can you get a hold of me to talk to me about what? I want to know what you want to talk about. I have one Bitcoin. Should I keep it whole or slice it up and diversify? Man, maybe if that's all you have, I would get some ETH. So ICP, I made a video about ICP yesterday. Check that out. No Duncan, no Floki, don't know enough. You're welcome, Jonathan. Wait to buy ETH or buy now. If you don't have any ETH, I would buy some now. Yeah, Solana might be the next best thing after ETH. Is a reasonable profit for a change? In reasonable profit. Cool. Thank you. Alt's going to run soon. Not soon. No. Esther's at school. What's up, Jay? Hello, Taya. Good to see you. Alt's a goodbye. Maybe Quant, because Quant just does its own thing. But I think you'll have better buying opportunities. Hey, it's CVO Crypto. What's up, man? I keep talking about you. Bear market win 2022. I should get into crypto. Okay, yeah. I still think we'll dip. I think you should watch my most recent TikTok. H-bar to $2 in my opinion. Quant all day, yeah. Be big, no, I haven't gotten into Be big. VXV, I'm still planning on doing research on it, but I haven't looked into it yet. What do you think about Pablo's recent video saying Bitcoin will go to 63K this month? I did not know that he said that, but it's possible. I think if we get anywhere near the all-time high, we're going to get rejected really high, but that will cross it in October. So sorry again for those of you on YouTube. For those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. hop on over to YouTube, World War Bitcoin, ask your question there. I will be able to, CBO, I see you. I will be able to answer any question you have there, but I'm not going to be able to keep up with the live stream here. Pablo lost a lot of respect. Yep. What's that thing in the back of your mind, Zlatan? It's that we spent so much time between $30,000 and $40,000. And a lot of that had to do with the Elon FUD, the China FUD, that we just got there too early. I think what would have happened if we didn't have that is that we would have been around $50,000 in going into July, and then we would have crashed really hard down to $30,000 and then bounced right back up. So let's see. Crypto. Okay, obviously it's a question about crypto, Bob. I mean, just how about you leave a comment on one of my YouTube videos and ask me the question there, and I'll respond to it. What would you watch for with ADA to see if it's going to break out after smart contracts or dip? What would I well, I would want to see. All right, September 12th. I would want to see if Cardano has this big pump before September 12th. If so, then my guess is that it's gonna go down pretty hard after that. So took profits out on 49,850. Was that a good idea? Was planning on buying back in winter if it goes down this month. I think it's an okay idea. That's probably a good price point. So here's the thing. If I think we're going to close flat this month, so maybe $47,000, $48,000 or something like that. If that's the case, if you see it go below $47,000, I would see you pump to what? I have no idea. $4, $350. How about that? I don't know. But if you see Bitcoin go below $47,000, go in. If you see Bitcoin, if it's the end of the month and you still haven't gotten back in, I would say get back in. So when's Solana going to stop rising? I don't know. Good question. All right, Zlatan, I'm done diversifying. Want to add to Litecoin and .bag. Does end of September seem like the best move? I'm guessing end, but I'm not sure. Just if you see Bitcoin dip hard, get in on Litecoin. Thank you, Saint Horj Sharoth. Thank you. Yes, MC Tick 2022. Yes. All right, let's see. No one knows really. Yeah, but we can analyze. And so thank you for that worthless comment, Caster Repair. What do you think about Dash? I don't know enough about Dash. I think we are going to have a bullish September. What do you think? I think the opposite. I mean, all right. I think we're going to close flat. If we have a bullish September, we're going to go up and then go back down and close flat. So 87% cash right now. Thoughts? Your cash is melting away. It's worth less and less every month. Thomas, okay, I see you. Let's see. All right, do that. Yes. Opinion on XRP, VET. Have an Uphold account. Do you trust them? I trust Uphold, yeah. XRP, I think, is going to pump after the lawsuit is over, maybe even pump before it's over. VET is one of my favorites, VeChain to $1. So XLM, I like XLM a lot. I think $2 to $3. I'm seeing projections of double digits for XLM. I think that's insane. So I see you, Johnny Dell 310 there. Nice comment. How does Pablo change from what's supposed to happen on the 12th? The smart contracts. I can't remember the name of it. Alonzo smart contracts. How does Pablo change from 20 to 63K? It's fine to change. Just admit that you're wrong. That's probably the thing that I would say about Pablo. Admit that you were wrong. Move on with your life. It happens. So thoughts on BNB? Binance is one of my favorites. It's a behemoth. I am very bullish on it long term, and it will continue growing and being this they own coinmarketcap.com. They have their fingers in a lot of things. So how many coins am I holding? Probably like 30. APL is XRP with wider use cases. Okay. Chainlink going slow. Why? Chainlink just goes slow. So it doesn't move as fast as other cryptos, but I expect it to at the end of the year. Thoughts on Quant over September? That's probably the one I'm most bullish on, considering the fact that the month is going to be flat, in my opinion. And so I shouldn't say fact, but yeah. Ethereum is rising right now. Do you think it'll continue or fall a bit before going up more? I don't think Ethereum's going to hit its all-time high. Ethereum's all-time high is a little over $4,300. I don't think it'll get beyond there, and I think that there's plenty of downward action that can happen with Ethereum over the rest of this month. So what do you think about Aave? Aave is a good one, DeFi platform I own a little bit, like, I don't know, $500, $600 or something like that. I think it's going to go to 4 figures this year. I am a waking L. Okay, Ellie. Maybe watch some of my videos and you'll realize I'm not a waking L. Thoughts on bid? I don't know. What do you think of proof of authority? I'm not familiar with proof of authority. That's interesting. Elaborate on internet computer. I don't like internet computer as far as their actions are concerned. But as far as the quality of the platform, sure, it has a future. And a walking bucket, there we go. And then I'm very intrigued. NFTs on internet computer. Now they had their first ever NFT launch yesterday. It was a total failure. It was awful, an awful experience. So that's not a good start. But if they can get their act together, I think Internet Computer could be a great platform for NFTs. The fees are pretty much non-existent, maybe non-existent, completely non-existent. We have a lot of Pablo supporters. I'm not able to read every comment, but it's funny, you know. If you still support Pablo, it's like one of those things where it's like, if he said that he created a base on the sun, you would get in the first rocket and fly there until your eyeballs melted off your face, and you'd believe him. So anyway, looking to put 50K in XRP in VET, smart move. Bob, I would spread it out a little bit, but XRP will be fine. Yeah, you'll be happy with your returns. I mean, I would definitely buy some Ethereum for sure. Because Ethereum's killing it, and it's going to continue to kill it. Who's Pablo, the guy who couldn't have predicted it? Yes. How long will the bull run go? You know, all right, I want to give some revised thoughts on the bull run. I think we're going to peak in December. The more I think about it, the more I think this is just looking so consistent with the previous 2 bull runs that I think we're going to peak in December. So... can you shout out my finance? Darren loves Laura, just got engaged. All right, Crypto D, congrats, man. Oh, fiance. Hey, Laura, what's up? Congrats. Which one is better, Wallet, Trust Wallet, or MetaMask? I use both. MetaMask seems safer. What's up, Crypto Husser? Yeah, user 113, exactly. That's a good point. So December for the win. There we go. I knew you'd like that crypto, CVO crypto. So, all right. So MetaMask seems more trustworthy, but I'm not sure. I have both, and I have a lot more in. Thank you, Memoid. I have a lot more invested. I have a lot more money in Trust Wallet. So, imagine whales selling all their Bitcoin in November. May that's it. Yeah, that's a thought. So. Peak in December, does that mean you're taking profits till then? I will start taking profits when we see a new all-time high for Bitcoin. I will start easing my way out, not of Bitcoin, but of other things. Is staking on Binance safe? I think so, yeah. Matic undervalued? Yes, it is. Do you think we'll fall deeper than the actual prices in the next bear market than the current prices? I think we're about where the bear market will be. Can you talk about Mana? Gaming, NFTs makes a ton of sense. I own some. 251, what's up? And so bullish, definitely bullish. What's up, Taib? Thoughts on Rune? I mean, Rune seems to be really hot right now. I am not. I have no intention of not ever, but for a long time, I have no intention of owning any Rune. And the reason that they've gotten hacked 3 times, I'm like, nope, no. Fool me once, fool me twice, fool me 3 times, no. So staking Hex has now made me a millionaire. Okay, congrats. I hope it's not a scam. You know, I'm on my way. Hex is unbelievable. I mean, just the price action, but the volume just doesn't make sense. What happens if the economy collapses? Bitcoin, cryptos will crash, unfortunately. So Thoughts on Solana NFTs? I like them. I like them more than Ethereum NFTs for sure. Does anyone know how much you can deposit into a pool per day? Into a pool, you mean like on Pancake Swap? Because if so, I don't think there's a max. XRP is not a scam. I see that question. Is it safe to buy Bitcoin Cash? It's safe, but I think it's trash. So what's wrong with Hex volume? It's very low. And if Hex's market cap is as big as they say it is, they're the number 3 crypto in the world. And then the volume is tiny in comparison. So why is it going up? It's at 27 cents right now. It was at a penny in May. Why is it going up like that? Can you use MetaMask to stake cake? I don't think so. Anyone know how much? All right, I answered that. Hey, Laura, you're welcome. Congrats. Thoughts on Vivid, VXV? VXV is top of my list to research, but no, I don't know. Do I think ETH can hit 20K this cycle? I think it can, yeah. EOS, strong or weak? Weak. Hello, TJK, C98, don't know enough. Thoughts on HBAR long-term? HBAR is a long-term hold for me. So ETH hits 6K like in October maybe. Solana will triple this bull run. It's within the realm of possibility. Yeah, they'll put it at $400 or so. Ledger Nano X or Trezor Model T? I'd say Trezor. Have you heard of Mamator? No. You're welcome, Bob. You don't know how much you appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. What wallet do you use for Pancake Swap Pool? Trust Wallet. So would you get into Hex now in a new position? No, no way. But I mean, I got in under a penny, so it's at 27 cents, something like that. Thank you, Do Work. HBAR prediction end of the year, $2, maybe early January or early 2022. VXV don't know enough. XYO, I have the Coin app on my phone, and I mine Coin, and it seems fine. But other than that, I don't know. Top 3 staking coins. By far my number 1 is Cake. So I have like 70,000 Cake, $70,000 in Cake, I should say. So, and then, Ethereum, it's on BlockFi, so I'm getting some returns, but that's not actual staking. Thoughts on Elrond? I'm learning more about Elrond. I know that there's other people on this platform who are very bullish on it. So Elrond, from what I understand, Elrond has very aggressive tokenomics. Like their halvings, it's not even a halving. It's like something really insane. I still need to learn more about that, but it seems like they want you to make money if you invest in Elrond. Why did you change your mind on ICP? I haven't. I still hate ICP. I'm just looking at the numbers, and it seems to me like ICP is going to provide good returns from here to the end of the bull run. So yeah, if we hit a bear market and Ripple case gets settled during this, will it still pump? There will be some kind of a pump. It won't be nearly as much as if it was in a bull market. VXV, still don't know enough. Sorry. Thoughts on VET to $1? I think so, yeah. HBAR long-term top 10 coin, it's possible, yeah. Link is a long-term hold for me. Very bullish on Link. What coins will you exit your whole position on before the end of the bull run? Everything but Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. And maybe Quant. I might not exit Quant. But I will be loading up on Quant very heavily throughout the bear market if we have a bear market. In a year, we'll see you looking at 5 screens of questions, answering them all. Thanks, Cubs fans. Chris, I saw your video, by the way. Thank you for the shout out. Bitcoin at 23K, never again. When do you think everything will completely crash again? Throughout the year 2022. Yeah, I will wreck it, Cam. Throughout 2022, I think Bitcoin will reach its bear market bottom in December of 2022. What's up, Lex? What is up? Is Binance a token or a coin? I'm pretty sure it's a coin. It's not built on any other platform, so it should just be a coin. Thoughts on Matic long term? I'm more bullish on Matic long term. I was a little concerned with Matic with Ethereum 2.0 and stuff like that, but Matic has plenty of partnerships, plenty of use cases other than that. So nice AMP pump today. I haven't seen that. Where's AMP at right now? Let's see. Thoughts on Radian? Don't know enough. Still bullish on Litecoin, very much so. All right, AMP's up 11.67%. That's not bad. Bitcoin will never crash again. I disagree. Bitcoin will crash. in my opinion. Thank you for those sunglasses, Complexities. Are we supposed to load up during the bear market to be financially free once the next bull run? Listen, yeah, that's a great question. Load up. Look at Cardano. Cardano was at 4 cents or 3 cents in 2020. It has 100x'd. From here, the best that I would expect would be like a 3x. When is the time to buy crypto? Is it now or was it a year ago? Obviously, it was a year ago. So 2024, right around the next Bitcoin halving, that's the time. That's the time to buy. Not when everyone is all excited about it, but when no one's talking about it. Is it too late to invest in Solana? I would say that there's other ones that you should invest in before then, but throughout the bear market, load up on Solana. ETH will probably pass Bitcoin next run. I think maybe even before that, like 2023. I want to see what happens after ETH 2.0, because do you want to talk about a halving? ETH's production is going to get cut in a tenth. Hey, Palm Angel, NFP, do you mean NFT? I'm not aware of what you're talking about there. I'm curious to know though. So, but I might not see another message from you because the chat's going too hot. And by the way, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube right now, and I will gladly answer any question that you have there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin, and ask me a question there. I cannot keep up with the YouTube chat. I have researched Hex. Yes, I saw a question about Hex again. I own Hex. I bought it in December. So yeah, still very bullish on Litecoin. I'm not sure if AMP is on Binance. How much can you deposit into Uphold per day? It's telling me I can only deposit 500 a day. Oh man, I don't know. So I don't actually have Uphold. So I don't know, but 500 seems very low. Any update on September pullback? Jose, I just made a TikTok about that. Check it out. Entry point for ETH, have some want more. Listen, I think ETH is going to $15,000. I think it's very likely that it's going to $15,000 and then maybe even higher throughout 2022 and 2023. So what is the Bitcoin having? I'm not going to say, well, no, Bitcoin's mining production is cut in half every 4 years. And so that's the number one thing you've got to understand before investing in crypto. Go to YouTube right now and look up a video on Bitcoin's halvings. Will Hex crash? I don't know. Maybe. What app should I use? I'm using Robinhood. Voyager. Download the Voyager app. Use my referral code ALE749. ALE749. You'll get $25 of free Bitcoin and you skip the waiting list. Did I talk about Hex? I have talked a lot about Hex. All right. I don't know what to say about Hex. I've seen unbelievable returns on my Hex that is staking until 2025, but I am a little bit concerned that it's a scam. So Hex is not Binance. No, it's not on Binance. You can get it on Trust Wallet. I know that. Thoughts on VRA? I like Theta more, but I do like VRA. I know it's been hot lately. So I would, don't chase a green candle. That's what I would say. Wayu, W-E-Y-U, I'm not sure what that is, Wesley. Is Quant going to have a supply shock? Yeah. Quant will, with supply being locked up, probably. VXV, again, I don't know enough about VXV, sorry. Solana, I'm crazy about Solana. Which did you say you're concerned it might be a scam? Hex, H-E-X. Again, don't know enough about VXV. What other crypto do you think we should look into right now? I'm pretty simple. I'm a pretty simple guy, So Ethereum, Litecoin at some point in September is going to be a great buy. It's going to outperform Bitcoin drastically over the remainder of this run. What's the future ICP? It has a future. That's all I'll say. ETH back to 3,400. I think very likely yes. H-bar price target $2. When possible to buy McDonald's with Bitcoin? I have no idea. Is it possible to get out of your Hex stake? What happens if you get out early? I don't know, but I know that there's penalties and that I think they disincentivize you from doing that. Whatever penalties you find out, you're probably not going to be too excited about that. So, $80 from some short calls. Okay. When do you see Matic hitting $2? Maybe sometime this month. So, do you think ETH will retrace to 34.34? I think it's very likely. Made money from short calls. Okay. I'm not sure what you're talking about, Warrior, but that's great. What coin will you invest in now for short? Nothing. What's up with Spark? Any day release for their drop? I have no idea. So, all right. Anyway, let's see. When do you see H bar hitting $2 at the end, like around January or something? Is AMP worth buying? I believe so. Yes. XLM. I love XLM. So check out Wayu. Okay. NFT Marketplace. Okay. Excellent. Yeah, I'll check that out. You still think ICP is going to pump? Yes, I hate SafeMoon. I think it's going to be fine. I don't think it's going to go back to its all-time high this cycle, at least. So, Safe Heaven and SafeMoon, just not a fan. You should know that, Munda. What kind of price will Bitcoin drop to the next bear market? Whatever its 200-week moving average is, the 200-week simple moving average. What will happen, in my opinion, is that it'll drop to that point and then it'll bounce off of there. And then go higher. So that's what has always happened. It's never gotten below the 200-week simple moving average. Why do you seem so annoyed during the lives? Try. I don't feel like I don't feel annoyed, but I get a lot of the same questions over and over again. DraftKings NFTs, I'm not familiar. So top 3 for September, Quant, but really September is going to be a rocky month in my opinion. Vet bear market higher than where it is now, but I don't know. 35K VAR coin, VAR. I'm not sure. Yeah, probably same questions. There you go. Thank you, Electronic Blood. Quick to the point. Yeah. Prediction on XLM like $2 to $3, Algo $7, Helium miners. I'm gonna one day own Helium miners. Maybe they'll stop being so slow with delivering them. So Cleveland Browns Super Bowl. No, I don't have to go to the bathroom. Mina price prediction, double digits somewhere, but I don't know. So what others to buy as well as Quant? Nothing. Just wait for a dip. What's up, Smiles? Wait for a dip. I think that there will be a quick dip at some point this month. So 10K right now, mostly in Bitcoin, Ethereum. Spread the rest out. Let's see. YouTube. AMP, I already mentioned that. BRB, Bob, okay. Price point to buy Solana, under 110. Is it worth pulling some vet out now to stable if September is going to be flat and then rebuy? I would not recommend that because I'm saying September is going to close flat. But what if, yeah, I see that, Fock Pablo. What if, no, Wreck-It Cam, I agree. It absolutely could. What if it goes up and then down? Closes flat. I think it's going to close flat, but what if it goes up and goes down? Yeah, thank you, Live, Love, Laugh. I see that. Do you like Pablo He-Man? I love him. I am in love with Pablo He-Man. So why Quant? Because I personally think September will be flat, but Quant just ignores everything else. So Dot hasn't pumped much. Dot's doing just fine. It's at $32, Smiles. So yeah, there's always the possibility we go vertical. I think thank you, Jason. I think that'll happen in the fall though, not right now. So thank you, the Master. In regard to NFTs for GameStop, where are you putting your money? What coins? Ooh, I don't know. Because it's still in its infancy, but I'm putting my money in Pablo. I saw somebody say Pablo. That's funny. I'm putting my money in GameStop. I'm not putting my money in Pablo. Would you fight Pablo if you had the chance? No. I'm a little nervous about Kung Fu. Maybe he knows Kung Fu, but other than that, if he doesn't know Kung Fu, then I'd whoop him. So Pablo coin to the moon. Yeah. What about BTT? I'm not a fan of anything Justin Sun has touched. So 170 pounds to spare Ethereum. What coins? Oh, yeah, I answered that. Will Solana pump to 140? Yeah, but when? Sure. But do you mean today? I don't think today. Wreck-It. Yeah, I'm not worried at all about the libtards. Sorry, if you are, classic liberals, I'm cool with classic liberals. Progressive liberals, you are insane. And I want to make that clear to you. If you are a progressive liberal, you are insane. Classic liberals, you're just fine. Will XRP go up a lot if they win the lawsuit against SEC? Yes. Bear or bull market? Bull. I can't afford one with. Should I still get one? Yeah, you could buy parts. Yeah, more like extremist liberal. That's fine. Yeah. Would you say you're one of the best crypto influencers on TikTok/YouTube? Oh man, I don't know, Jamie. I don't know. I've just, thank you, Elena. Today's conservatives are more like liberal. Okay, enough about that. Yeah, whole ETH. If you can't afford a whole ETH, you could buy something else. I've just been more accurate lately. That's all I'll say. I'm not going to say I'm one of the best, but I would say that, July I had a good July. So progressive liberal and classic progressive liberal or class. No, not going to talk about that. Sorry. I'll talk about that some other time. I saw Pablo on Wish slinging nunchucks. Uh-oh. All right. Yeah. I don't want to mess with that. Let's see. ETH and XLM prediction by the end of the year. One of the best. Thank you. ETH and XLM prediction within a year, 15,000 ETH, $2 to $3 for XLM. What do you think about Mr. Crypto Whale on Twitter? He's a fraud. He's an absolute fraud. He started shorting Bitcoin. But when Bitcoin was $9,000, he started shorting it. And $9,000 on its way up to $42,000 within a few months, he started shorting it. So pick 3 coins you think will most likely pump hard in the next week or two. Man, none. How about that? So thoughts on BitBoy Crypto? I don't mind BitBoy Crypto. I think he's, there's certain things you could bring up, I'm sure, but I don't mind him. What crypto do you think is going to go to the moon and now is the time to invest in besides ETH? Litecoin. VXV, don't know enough, sorry. Engine is another one, just I really don't know enough, sorry. Talk about Trump tards. Yeah, they're crazy too, but progressive liberals are awful, and Trump tards are just kind of annoying. So how about that? What about Virtual Bacon? I like him. I mean, yeah, he sold at the bottom. So CryptoPunks like make sense to me. They're one of the first. I did not say to stay away from Solana when it was at $60. No, I didn't. I said don't chase a green candle. Whatever. I'm not even gonna mess with that. You're gonna be angry that I said something that I might have said something about Solana at $60. My number one rule is always don't chase a green candle. So what do you mean with September is going to be flat? Like crabbing? No, not crabbing. I think it'll go up or down, but then close flat, Why is everything pumping except cake? I don't know. I'm not worried about cake. I still think it's going to 3 figures. Just got rid of 12K of Litecoin before this 8% rise. Worth buying back in. At some point, we'll just wait for a dip. A living oracle. Okay. Any good entry for Cardano and CAD? Ooh. Wait until after the 12th. Bought in at 19. Solana sold at 62. Fine. And that's what you should do. You shouldn't sell all of it. That's the thing. Like Solana got to $73 and I sold. I sold about a quarter of my Solana. And then it got up to $130 and I sold at like 117, another quarter of my Solana. And that's taking profits. That's what you should do. I have no regrets. I don't regret selling Solana at $73. I just don't. It 3x'd from when I bought it. So, isn't Link undervalued? I think so. What results impact are you expecting from non-farm payrolls? Every month there's something, there's, we got to wait for the Fed meeting. We got to wait for non-farm payrolls. Bitcoin is maybe like short-term affected by those things, but long-term or even medium-term, it's just not going to be affected. Bitcoin is going up. It doesn't matter unless there's like a major crash or a black swan event. Bitcoin is going up in the fall. So sell some ADA before September 12th. I mean, you should be taking profits. I'm assuming you're in profit since ADA is at $3 right now. Take some profit. Sell like a quarter of it. So when you take profit on a coin, do you keep buying it DCA? No, I don't. So don't chase a green candle. Fantastic strategy. Yeah, tragedy. That's funny. Learn the hard way. And again, I'm bullish. I read somebody say bullish. I'm live on YouTube. I cannot answer every question on TikTok, but I will gladly answer on everything on YouTube because it's slower there. So is there going to be another dip? Watch my most recent TikTok. Thoughts on Kusama? I like Polkadot. I like Kusama. I like what Kusama does for people looking for entries for coins, tokens, looking for platforms, whatever, looking for entries into crypto. So I'm bullish on it. 4 figures. Richard Hart. Don't know enough about Richard Hart. I know I should know more about him, but I don't. Is there going to be a dip? Watch my most recent TikTok. Where do you put profits? Recently, I've shifted. So before, like in May, I put a lot of my profits on other cryptos, but right now, any profit that I take out is going into stable coins where I'm staking it for X amount of returns. 9% on Voyager. What else? Pancake Swap. So yeah, dude, why it's went up like this? Please, can I know? What are you talking about? Crypto? You said it will dump and flat in September. Oh my goodness. It's been 2 days. Okay. And I said September would close flat. Do I think it's going to go down? Yes, I do. But I think we're going to close at like $47,000, $48,000 in September. We could go up. We could go up to the all-time high or a little under the all-time high. I will still think that we're going to close flat in September. So got Dash. My advice, that's funny. I never said anything about buying Dash, but I think it'll go fine for you. I don't do yield farming. You've got to understand impermanent loss. I know they promise high yields, but you've got to understand impermanent loss. Don't you have to pay taxes on profits? Yes, I do. And so I will pay my taxes and cry many tears. What's staking coins and how do you do it? You just got to hold it. You hold crypto on a platform or a node. And hey, what's up, King Kush? And yeah, it's only September 2nd. Thank you, IdeaWorks. You hold on a platform or a node, you get returns. That's what staking is. You've got to look up staking because it's awesome. AutoCake, yes, AutoCake is better than manual. I tested it out. I put an equal amount in auto and manual. Auto blew manual away. I'd love to get to the point where taxes are a problem, yeah. Link prediction end of the year, man. I've been saying $200, but Link moves pretty slowly. I still think a 3 or 4x. So bullish on YouTube. Okay. I'm 800 up from 1500. Doesn't seem right taking profit yet, but I think I'll wait till October, December. Yeah, Jamie, I like at least 2xing, but more like 3xing before I start taking profits. Telcoin, I don't know enough. Quant, super bullish on Quant. Staking returns, stable coins. I mean, I made a video, Foc Pablo, about how you can stake on PancakeSwap. If you learn how to stake on PancakeSwap, I think you'll be able to learn how to do other things like that. Where do you stake PancakeSwap? Did you mean ETH would close at 3,700 or 4,700? No, I didn't say anything about ETH. I was talking about Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin will close around where it closed in August, like 47,000. So. Another address, New York doesn't allow Voyager. Coinbase, yeah, New York sucks for crypto. So, on VET and ETH, yeah, just hold, especially your ETH. I would say hold off on taking profits on ETH. Will Theta move this cycle? Been sleeping? Yeah, Theta's been a little disappointing, but I think it's going to go to $50 or so. Let's see where Theta is right now. 691. Oh my goodness, yeah. Oh, Cryptomaniac. All right, yeah. Please reach out to me, Cryptomaniac. I'd really appreciate some help. So, do your course before the bear market. Yeah, I will. Will NFTs take market share from crypto coins? Probably, yeah. It's like meme coins. It's the same thing as meme coins in my opinion. So, where will Bitcoin go from here? Flat for September. I mean, maybe up and then back down, or maybe down and then back up, but closing flat for September. I don't do price predictions on Quant. So, but then October, November, and December, I believe will be amazing months for crypto. So, no way, market cap does not allow Theta to go that high. Okay. Do you stake ETH? I hold it on like BlockFi and other platforms. Am I in Ohio? Yes, I am. BlockFi, but I don't stake it. So Crypto Earn on crypto.com gives 5.5% on ETH. Yeah. Voyager has some good ones too. So New Jersey regulators coming down on BlockFi. Listen, I'm actually exiting BlockFi, but not for that reason. I'm transferring to other platforms because BlockFi's rewards is pretty low. They keep decreasing their rewards, and it's to the point right now where I'm getting like 0.1% on my Bitcoin when I could be getting 5.5% on Voyager. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend BlockFi anymore. Richard Hart saying Bitcoin topped at 65 and this is a bull trap. I disagree. And I very confidently disagree. How to become good at crypto like you? Man, I don't know. Just study up as much as possible. Pay attention to other crypto influencers before until you get a feel for it. So without Ethereum and Bitcoin, what top 5 crypto would you invest for long term? Chainlink, Binance, HBAR, Solana, and Quant. So again, I answered the question about Telcoin and Quant. I don't know enough about Telcoin. Somebody I follow on Twitter is super bullish on Telcoin. Yeah, BlockFi became a bank with interest rates. That's a good one. All right. Honestly, even if you're wrong this month, I think you've had really good predictions about the whole environment for as long as I've been following you. I've made plenty off your advice. Thank you, Michael. Yeah, you know what? I hope I'm wrong. I just want to go to the moon now, But I'm just going to say what I think is going to happen. I would love, I cannot wait for this bull run to be over. This is really stressful, And so I can't wait for clear peaks and let's exit at the same time and celebrate in the Maldives, but it's not going to be like that. But anyway. Solana, should I buy? Oh, wait, Ryan. Hey, Alex, hope all is well. Have you any thoughts on Alliance Block? I've looked into it a little bit. So not a ton, though, not enough to really give confident opinions on it. The thing that I'll say, I watched a video from It's Joshua Jake. So, he follows me. I follow him on TikTok. And I liked what I saw there. He's putting a lot into Alliance Blockchain. So, Alliance Block, excuse me. Solana, should I buy? I would say no. Don't chase a green candle. Link is a long-term hold for me. What does closing flat mean? I just mean all right, the closing in October was, I never mentioned XRP. I like XRP. The closing in in August was a little over $47,000. I think that Bitcoin's closing in September will be somewhere between $45,000 and $49,000, like flat. So I lost you. What are your top 5 minus Bitcoin and ETH? Man, Chainlink, HBAR, Solana, Binance, and Quant. All right. Why does Bitboy Crypto say Bitcoin will reach all-time high this month and that the bear market will begin in October? I don't know. I strongly disagree with him. Yeah, Joshua the lawyer, great point. They want a prediction, and I'm hesitant to give predictions in certain cases. Like there's somebody who got mad at me because when Ethereum was $4,300 in May, he asked me for an August prediction for Ethereum, and I said, I don't know, $5,000. And then he got mad at me. And I'm like, that was a very conservative prediction when Ethereum was $4,300. I'm like, chill, man. BitBoy's all about ratings. Yeah, whatever. I don't care. I like BitBoy. Can you do a TikTok explain Bitcoin moving average in correlation to Litecoin? I made a video about Litecoin, and there are some comparisons like that. Do you like CKE as itself or BC because of the staking rewards? I mean, I love the staking rewards for Cake, but I love platform coins. You need Cake to get access to a whole bunch of other cryptos. Do I like ICP? I hate it with the heat of 1,000 suns. But I think it's going to go up. VeChain up right now. Do you think taking some profits now is cool? Yeah, I think so. I'm assuming, Jose, that you've at least doubled your position. So where do you see ETH? Cream sauce, I already answered that question. I'm very convinced that this is not a bull trap. ETH, will it bear? That's a good question. ETH is entering uncharted territory with its doing away with mining forever and moving to proof of stake and cutting it from 12,800 mined a day to 1,280 in staking rewards. So we'll see. Yeah, thank you, Singing Bandit. How low do you think Bitcoin ETH will go in September? 42,000 for Bitcoin, under 3,000 for ETH. So I want to add those Matic, XLM, XRP, VeChain, Chainlink, Solana, Anchor. I don't have any good time to buy now or wait more September to get some dips. Man, that's a tough question. Like a roughly worded question. Buy some now and then buy some later. Proof of stake versus proof of work. I'm not going to take the time to do that. I'm sorry. Staking versus mining. That's what it is, you know? So do I think Hex is a scam? There's some scammy things. There's some questionable things about it. But I'm up big time on my Hex, so I hope that's not a scam. Will you take rewards when you hit 10 to 11K profit overall on your capital? 10 to 11K profit? I'm not sure what you're asking. I want to hit $1 million. That's a 3x or so from where I am right now. I think that's within the realm of possibility. So I think I'm going to get very, very conservative when I hit $1 million. I want to, all right, let's see. Hey, what's up, E. Davidson? Good to see you. What's a coin I should invest in right now? Quant. If you see a dip, Litecoin. Thoughts on IOTA? I don't have an IOTA price prediction. IOTA is one that I'm very confident will exist for a long time. So when we start hitting big dips soon, do you believe Bitcoin will be the coin that drops first, signaling? No, I think everything's just going to drop with Bitcoin. Very small coins of interest. I'm more of a top 50 guy. Sorry. So I'm not going to do a September price target. Sorry. Engine Mana end of the year price. I don't even know where those are priced right now. I own some of both. I just don't pay attention to them all that much. Where to buy IOTA? I have no idea. I don't own any. Sorry. Maybe on KuCoin. Check out KuCoin. VRA, please recommend good altcoin below $1. I would recommend that you pay attention to market cap and not the price. But how about VeChain? All right, listen to me on ICP and Litecoin. I hope you're right. I would have said to wait a little bit on Litecoin, but IOTA's on Voyager. Oh, that's right. IOTA's on Voyager. I forgot about that. Opinion about FTM, don't really know enough. I keep getting it confused with FTT, but it's not FTT, it's FTM. Did you mention Matic? I like Matic, short, medium term, like $8 or so. What do you think about ETH owner tweeting about Doge? Ooh, good question. Oh my goodness. So Vitalik wants Doge. If you haven't heard this yet, this is huge. You know, I get a lot of thank you, Adrian. Yeah, I've talked about that a lot. But if you haven't heard this is huge. All right, Vitalik wants Doge to move to proof of stake, and he wants it to stop. Thank you. You're welcome, Singing Bandit. He wants Doge to stop being proof of work, proof of stake. Which, I mean, if what's happening with Ethereum happens to Dogecoin, that means that it'll very likely no longer be 10,000 new Dogecoin mined per minute, but instead something much less than that. So anyway, sorry. Sorry, I got a message. September not feeling like a retrace month anymore? Whatever. Okay. So I don't know if I was done with Doge, but that would get me pretty excited about Doge. What do you suggest about ETH? I recover my loss till I can hold or buy again on a dip and put it at 14. I don't know what you're saying, Shah. Buy Ethereum. That's my answer. You think that will happen? I think it's definitely possible, Princess Nessa. Huge for Doge, yeah. You know much about Hollow? I own some. I think it's going to 10 or 20x. Think Matic has had its major gains already. No, I think it's going to $8. Will Quant be around in 5 years as it got lots? Yeah, I think so, and I think it's going to be worth 5 figures this decade. So, We still haven't held 50K, so we can dip. We're dipping right now. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly right, United States of Bitcoin. So, and even if it goes above 50K, I could still see it going below 450 again. So, huge for Doge. Yeah, if you don't have any altcoins, which 5 entries would you pick? Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, HBAR, Quant, Solana. There's 6. Been following you since January. I'll admit it's been a great experience. Learned so much, made profits. I'm excited to learn more entering the new year. All right. Thank you so much, Jose. Am I holding Doge? Yeah, I have like 11,000 Doge. I had 36,000. I sold a bunch of it before Elon went on SNL. So stop buying ETH and only buy Solana and Quant. Which should top current ETH? Short term, yes, Bash Trail, but ETH is going to kill it in 2022 and 2023. So Harmony 1 prediction, I don't have one, sorry. Do I look at DOT? Yeah, I look at DOT a lot. I think it'll at least go back to its all-time high. I've been saying that since DOT was $12, telling people to get into Polkadot. So, but I think it'll go to 200. Who gets to make these decisions on Doge? Guessing it would skyrocket. I don't know. I'm wondering. I have no idea. But Vitalik probably. Good stocks to invest on. Not paying much attention to stocks right now. I did buy some options on, I don't even remember the name of it, on an NFT, a publicly traded NFT something company. I obviously did a ton of research if I can't remember its name, but it's doing well. So ever heard of Alchemy Pay? Yeah, I have. Oh, hey, what's up, OC Pet Doctor? Any thoughts on Algorand? I think it's going to $7. I make you feel like I'm going to be rich with Dot, Link, and Matic. I mean, they'll go up. So Hollow 20X, yeah, I could see that happening. Be Big, don't know enough. VXV, I'm still trying to do research on it. I'll probably, after this live stream, do research on it. So, all right, holding it. Yeah, I answered that. When Quant bears, we will know more. Yeah, exactly, another day. Yep. You're welcome. VXV, again, I'm trying to do research. I don't know enough about VXV. Took profits from ADA, put into ETH a week ago. There we go. That great timing on that, Waverly. Theta, yes. Good coins to invest in right now. Not a ton. Again, I think we're going to close flat in September. So, all right. Anyway. End of year ETH prediction within a year, $15,000. Would you buy Hex or Doge? Not Hex. Absolutely not Hex. So I guess Doge, if you're going to make me choose one. And I'm saying that as a Hex owner who's seen a 27x return on his Hex. You know, I'm still hesitant about it. AMP prediction like $1. Someone said Amazon is going to have a coin. Have you heard? I've heard lots of rumors, but I'm not sure what to believe. And some people are saying AMP is going to be Amazon's coin. And I'm like, where are you getting that? Amazon should create their own crypto if they can. They would make so much money. Do I dislike ADA? I don't think there's going to be a 40+ correction, Iman. I see that question. $90 seems high. I've been saying more like $50. But all right. Do I dislike ADA? No. I think that ADA has a future, that they're going to they're going to be something, you know. It's just right now they're a meme coin for the you know, until they actually like have some kind of, anyway, they're not a meme coin. I know people are going to come down on me like that. All right, they're not a meme coin. And if they do half the things that they're saying they're going to do, it's going to be awesome. So Facebook showing Amazon ads for crypto. Took 10x profit on ADA. Should I keep in USD coin or get something like Quant? Oh man, do as I say, not as I do. I would get Quant, but right now, the reason why I say that, right now I'm putting all my profits into stable coins. That's just my rule, playing it safe. So, thank you, Iman. What do you suggest about ETH? I tried answering that again, and I still don't understand that question, Shah. Just buy. Aloha Sun Surf. Watch my most recent TikTok. ETH is going to overtake Bitcoin. I absolutely agree with that. In market cap. Ethereum Classic short term. Wait until October. October 1st. Load up on Ethereum Classic and sell it within 2 months. So If you DCA, is there any point to taking profits? Yeah, I think so. Good time to get into Cardano. No, I wouldn't get into Cardano right now. Do you even take profits from Link? Sure. If I use Voyager to stake stablecoin, do I get paid out monthly? Yes, monthly. Vet is in the top 10, but not top 5. Sorry, because I know you're a vet, but dad joke there. Ha ha ha. Let's see. What do you think of Ren? Don't know enough. Sorry. Amazon, RLLYNDZ. Money, money, money. Okay. Will ETH be at $10,000 in December 2021? Yes. Or January. Thank you, OC Pet Doctor. What's my Voyager referral? ALE749. A is in Apple, L is in Larry, E is in Elephant. 749. You heard Major Dump is coming. Okay, cool. Crow, haven't talked about Crow at all this live stream, so I love Crow, love their partnerships, Formula One, Ultimate Fighting. Crypto.com is going to exist for a very long time, which means the price will go higher. Maybe Miles, I see that quant supply shock, yeah. Oh man, I'm sweating. Give me a second. What do you think about crypto being called a limited supply and nothing bound to hit zero? Nope. I don't have a Binance referral code. Nope. YFI. It's a coin with a high price with very low number of coins. Is this it? Alt season? Nah. Will ETH holders notice any difference between ETH? No, another day. They won't. Just the price will go higher. Crow in 5 years. I don't really do 5-year predictions, but much higher. Graffiti Kings. Okay, hey, Graffiti Kings. I'm gonna check you out. Can you give me a free NFT, and I'll tell people to. I'll tell people on my live streams, hey, go check out Graffiti Kings. Like right now, hey guys, go check out Graffiti Kings. I think that earns me a free NFT. So, and I'll post on my Twitter account, hey, I got this free NFT. Check it out, Graffiti Kings. I want to see if they responded. Let's see. We've sold millions of NFTs. Okay, one of your NFTs is giving me epilepsy, but I'd still love a free NFT. So, 8 Enki 8. What do you guys cake in the bear market? Oh man, like $10 maybe 20. Urine Finance, yeah, super low supply. Oh, what's up, CB? Thank you, CBO Crypto again. What do you suggest? Man, Shah, I don't understand your question. I am getting free NFT if Man City wins. Yes, another day. Yes, that's right. Epilepsy. Give me a free NFT, man. What do you get when we use your referral code on Voyager? $25 of free Bitcoin. All right, huge drop soon. Okay. What price should Quant be at? I think Quant will one day be a top 10 crypto. If Quant was a top 10 crypto today, it would be worth about $1,800 per coin. Yeah, let's go ETH. Theta thoughts. $50. I love Theta. Quant in 10 years, 5 figures. Ape NFT. Okay. I mean, I know there's the apes. That's a big one, right? XLM, Stellar. Sorry, I missed that question. Lumens, a long-term hold. I just think that's another one that I'm very confident will exist long-term, but I'm not holding that through the bear market. So my Wax wallet address on Twitter, on your Twitter post. Okay, I will create a Wax wallet or get one and do that. So follow me on Twitter, by the way, WWBitcoin. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am live on YouTube. I am able to respond to every question on YouTube, but not on TikTok. So Polkadot or Chainlink. ADA prediction before September 12th. I think it will jump hard on September 12th. It depends. If it rises Thank you, Graffiti Kings. If it rises, like, if it just continues to pump like crazy, yeah, I think so. But we'll see. Mike Leonard is not buying my course. Okay. Thank you for letting me know that. Graffiti Kings, it's WW Bitcoin. And I wasn't necessarily saying for you to follow me, but yeah, if you follow me, I'll follow you back, whatever. And but other people also follow me, WW Bitcoin. Solana or Quant. That, man, I get that question every day, and that's the most difficult question. Solana or Quant? Yes. Okay, but I'm gonna say Solana. Computer internet thoughts, please. I hate it with a heat of 1,000 suns. ETH to 4,000 today. I think it's unlikely. Jacob, I don't have a course yet. I've been talking about making a bear market course, a bear market buying course. That I think if you follow those rules, you will make a killing, an absolute killing, and that is the time to buy crypto in the bear market. Let's see, yeah, I answered that. I converted my XLM to AMP today, about 300 XLM for 1,300 AMP. I think that's good. I think it's a good call. Top 10 cryptos I'm holding. I'm not going to do top 10. I'll say top 5. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cake, XRP, and Binance, not in that order. Can you trade Bitcoin for Ethereum on Binance? I don't know. When would you say bear market would start? 2022. Love to check out the course. Thank you, Jacob. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to charge for it. So I don't have a course yet. Again, I don't have a course. I'm going to make one, though. So bought some Dogecoin and Matic. I mean, those will go up. I would recommend Ethereum. I'm obviously going to recommend Bitcoin. Will ETH hit 2,700 in September? I think it's possible. Yeah. Yeah, 2 years of bear market accumulating. Yep. What's a bear market? BEAR, like rawr, bear. So bear is down, bull is up. That's all I'll say. Telcoin, don't really know enough. Quant is a different beast than Solana, though. Quant will connect everything. Yeah. So probably on, like, if you ask me that question tomorrow, I'd probably say Quant. Mazen Liad, check out my most recent TikTok about a dump in September. So best place to buy XRP, Uphold. Ecomi, very bullish, no price predictions though. No ADA in my top 5, not my top 5 holdings, no. All right, 14 ETH and I recovered my loss. So what would you suggest? Keep it and hold or sell and buy on dip? No, Shah, hold it. Don't try to mess with that. Top 3 favorite altcoins. Binance. I can't choose between Binance, Solana, Quant, HBAR, Chainlink. Target projection on Matic, $8. All can be paid. I still don't know enough. Sorry. How would you invest $1 billion? No comment. 35% Ethereum, 25% Bitcoin. Spread the rest out. Is XRP and Chainlink long-term holds for me? Chainlink is. XRP, I'm not sure. It depends. If the SEC suit continues to drag on, I will hold it until that suit is over. So good time to buy Matic? Yeah, I think so. Vet to the moon? Yeah. I don't do any day trading. Nope. I answered that question, Typhon. If Cardano goes up dramatically before September 12th, it will be a buy the rumor, sell the news type thing. But otherwise, I don't think so. AMP thoughts and predictions. I love AMP. $1. Which free NFT? I was trying. There was somebody shilling his NFT in this live stream, and I was trying to get him to give me a free one. That's all. So, target projection on Matic in December. Yeah, I answered that. Is the bear strategy for a beginner to sell cryptos now and buy back, or to hold through the bear market? Ashton, it's to sell and buy back. I mean, I'm not selling any of my Bitcoin. I'm not selling most. I'm probably going to sell like 2 of my Ethereum, like 5% of my Ethereum. All right, Bittrex really bullish thread on Twitter. Cool. Yeah, Graffiti Kings. There we go. Free NFTs. Everyone's welcome. There we go. Let's see. Voyager's offering 12% APR on DOT. Yep. 5% on ADA. Do I make the switch from ADA to DOT? No, I wouldn't do that, Nick. Considering dumping my 5% in vet and just adding to the HBAR position. That's fine. If you want to do that, that's fine. ETH prediction end of the year. Within a year, $15,000. Whoa, $10,000 every Friday. Okay. If Bitcoin surpasses 51K, what about it? I'm not. So I saw a tweet by somebody who I follow who really, whose opinion I respect. And he said if Bitcoin were to go to 51K, it would very quickly go to 54K. But still, I think it'll go back under 40K, or not 40K, 50K, under 50K. ADA or Polygon? Right now, Polygon. Did you say AMP or AMB? AMP. Is it time to sell Litecoin? No. Yeah, see, I don't, LSKP, I just don't try messing with that. I see that. Converted Link to ADA. Link went to $30. Yeah. ETH, Link, ADA, Bitcoin, VET, those are all fine. Is it better to invest in one coin or multiple? I would invest in multiple. Yeah. Nicole, yes, I do. Well, and what would I buy in a dip? Litecoin. But check out my most recent TikTok because I'm a little bit hesitant about the dip to the 20-week moving average, and I explain why there. Is Litecoin still hitting 4 digits? I believe so. I very strongly believe so. So, do you see ETH over 10K by the end of the year? Yes, I do. You think Litecoin all-time high is possible in the next couple months? Yes, I do. Yep. All right. I am done for today. So I have a bunch of meetings and stuff tonight, but yeah, Shiba's costing you money. Of course it is. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Follow me on Twitter, WW Thank you for those weights and that music, whatever that thing was. Thank you so much. You're welcome, Jerry. And follow me on Instagram, World War Bitcoin. And hey, I know that some of you right now watching this are not following me on TikTok. And it is your loss if you don't follow me on TikTok. So with every ounce of my being, I demand that you follow me on TikTok. I'm obviously messing around with that. Thank you, William Thompson 404. That's right. You followed me on TikTok. Noxy, anywhere I can contact you to catch up. Dude, send me a message on TikTok. And I will, because you're an OG with my channel. Yeah, for sure, man. I will accept that message request. You're welcome, Ashton. And I will answer you there. So, okay. I'm done. Whew. I'm done for today. Much love to you all.